Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make portfolio for medical design engineer on WIX. WIX website builder is beginner friendly and easy to use. So you're going to go onto wix.com and from there you can create an account using your Google address. After creating your account, you're going to tap on create new site. Then you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on set up without chat. After selecting set up without chat, on the search bar I want you to type in mechanical and you can see different options. So for example, let me type in mechanical engineer and you'll see the option mechanical engineer portfolio. You're going to select that. Then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can give your website a name. So we're going to simply give it a name. We'll call it test. After giving your website a name, what I want you to do next. So let me refresh this page real quick. Once on your dashboard, after giving your website a name, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select portfolio. Once you have selected portfolio, this is where you'll be able to upload your portfolio. You can either choose to select one of the types right here or all of the types. Then you could tap on next, select upload from computer, and you could upload the images or the products that you could tap on upload from computer and you could upload the images that you would like to add or the projects that you would like to display. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to add your projects to WIX. Once you have done that and you have created your portfolio, you can also select collections from the left-hand menu option and you could organize your projects in a collection so they look better organized. Once you're finished doing that, you will tap on set up in the top left-hand corner, then tap on design site in the top right-hand corner, and you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you'll be redirected to this page on which you can choose from any one of these templates, and I'm just going to be selecting this one, so we'll tap on edit. Once on this page, you're going to close the pop-up box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner and you can start editing your website. To edit any section, just hover over the section, tap on quick edit, and we could change this. So from a R, we could change it to a J, as you can see right there. Then we can scroll down. You can change the name by selecting the name, then tapping on edit text. You could change the text. You can also change this text section, and if you like to change the background image, select the background image, then tap on change image, select image, and from there you could upload an image by selecting upload media in the top left hand corner, or we could just type in, for example, let me type in engineer right here, and I could select an engineer pic and use this copyright free image right there. And you can scroll down and continue editing your website. To view all the pages on the website, you will tap on home in the top left hand corner and we could select portfolio and you could view the portfolio page. And this is my portfolio page at the moment and you will see yours once you select it. And that's it. To add anything else to your website, you could tap on a plus in the top left hand corner and from there you will see numerous elements that you can add, whether it's a text, image, or button. If you'd like to add a page, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner. After doing that, you'll select site menu, then tap on add page, and you can add either a blank page, an about page, services page, any type of page you like to add, you can find it in this section. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.